Welcome to 1 Minute Math. Today we're talking about adding integers. Here are the rules for adding integers with the same signs. If the signs are the same, all you have to do is add the integers and keep their sign. So if they're both positive, the answer is positive. If they're both negative, the answer is negative. Here are two examples. 6 plus 7 is 13. Both are positive, so the answer is positive. The second example, -4 plus -8 equals -12. These are both negative, so the answer is negative. The rule for adding integers with different signs is a little bit harder. First, you have to subtract the numbers and then take the sign of the number with the greatest absolute value. That means the distance from 0. The hint, cover the negative sign and see which number is bigger, quote unquote. Then use that number's sign. The first example is 3 plus -7. So you subtract 7 minus 3 is 4. Cover the negative sign, 7 is bigger, so the answer is -4. Our second example is -4 plus 9 equals 5. Subtract 9 minus 4, cover the negative, 9 is bigger, so the answer is positive. Hope this helps explain the rules for adding integers. If so, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.